welcome back to another video, and I'm sorry for quite a bit of a big break. We did enjoy the holidays and I hope you did as well. You took some time off, relaxed, but now we have the last day of the year and we had to post a video. We cannot kind of end the year on a live stream, so what a better way to end the year by adding blinds and kind of closing up this beautiful year. And thankfully Tuck Blinds has reached out to us and has sent us blinds that will make this room a lot warmer for now and darker when we need it in summer. So let's unbox them, see what we got, and then get on and install them. So here are the blinds. David unboxed them yesterday and they're ready to be installed, and we've been actually looking for blinds for this room since it was built a year ago. We finished it and summer was really tricky because the sun is setting from that side, so it was kind of affecting my editing, and it was getting really hot in summer and now it's kind of getting quite cold. So the cool thing that I did not say about the Tuck blinds is that they are electric. How awesome is that? And I think you can also use them, like press one button and all of them will close. So I am really excited. So let's get started, install them one by one. I think only the big one, the long window, is not electric, which is okay. Anyways, this window is not the most important. And the other good thing is with having blinds, this is quite of a expensive room. And when we leave, it's always a bit of a, fear. Even though this side is on the other side of the house, we still want to make sure that we close the blinds and have no one peeking in, which doesn't happen, but better safe than sorry. So let's now install them because I'm really excited to see how they look. They're not white, they have another color on the inside. So yeah, let's get them on and get this room nicely sealed. So they do come with screws, which is really nice. But because our walls are a bit more tricky to have insulation in between, we need our own screws. A bit longer. But that is also nice that they provide you with everything you need. And they're matching my outfit. Okay. So those are metal as well, like heavy duty. Nice.
Really heavy duty.
One of the biggest ones. Maybe the biggest. One of the biggest.
Oh, it might be actually the biggest. Oh no, the door is the biggest.
Okay.
So I think yes, it's the second biggest.
Second biggest, yeah.
I think it's correctly. Maybe the other way.
We put it the wrong way.
How do you know?
Because the other side is the color we chose.
Ah.
You see? Here's the pattern.
Hey,
oh, no, the tree. No, we put it the wrong way. You were spinning all of it.
Oopsie.
Ooh, feels so fancy.
I need to roll them all in now.
Okay, now the correct way. Ooh. It's quite of a low sun, so like the blind going to like here would be nice. And actually I remember when I was editing now in like end of winter, start of spring, the sun was coming from the side, so it was really blinding me to edit during the day. I think this could go all the way if it doesn't bother. Ooh, nice. It could go all the way, this one. I specifically put the things front. I really like how flush they go with the window. We decided, as you saw, we're putting it deeper, these ones. This one we put on the front, which we will be relocating. I think it makes more sense for them to go
in the back.
Flush in the back, and then they don't bother, as you see as well. But you can also set them to a specific height. For now we have done that. But I think they look really nice, and I really like the color.
It's subtle. It fits with the wall. And they blend in really nice with the walls.
Yeah, they're really nice.
They're really not bothering.
So for now, because we have the Christmas decoration on the bottom, let's see. It's supposed to stop there. Perfect. Nice. Cute. Really good that you can also adjust the height.
Oh yeah.
That's
Very
really
useful.
nice. Okay, one last electric one, and then we're gonna put the non-electric. Let's see that sun leave. Whee! Why does it look so cool?
Number 5, 4.
Is it all closing?
Wait. So all of them are installed except the long window, which we'll do after. Let's do the grand closing of all together.
What?
Secret meeting. Feels so epic.
It feels so cool.
This increases your productivity in summer, because in summer it's bright all the time, and
Yes.
sometimes you just need darkness.
And as I said, like in spring, I cannot edit because the sun is shining in. Wow.
Ta-da! And all we're left is one long window, which actually is not
That is, wow, the coolest thing I've seen this year. Like, I don't know, I feel rich.
And then
I feel like in the movies.
finish with the meeting.
Okay. And all of them go up.
And you can stop them all in the middle.
So cool. This room just became like something else.
Epic office.
Nice. I love it. So this office transformed from like, I don't know if you remember.
Oh my
God. That's not like a small room. That here the room's pretty short though.
Yeah, well.
Well, if I show you, look at your head.
You don't need the roof that high here.
Okay, but this used to be a chicken coop. Like where I'm standing right now, the geese was laying eggs.
And having chickens in here.
And it has become this luxurious office, and the blinds add such a cool look and functionality as well, keeping out the sun and the heat, and now also keeping the heat in, not letting the cold get out. So in the night we just press one button and all of them go down. Then we wake up in the morning, press a button, they all go up. So yeah, I forgot to say, make sure to check the link down below. It's always gonna be the link down in case you're interested, but I am loving it so much. This is a really grand final video and touch for the year. As I said, this is the last day of the year and we are closing it in pretty nicely. Well, not the year, but rounding it up really nice. And I don't know, am I crazy? But I absolutely love it. I also love the color of it. They have multiple colors. They also have darker colors. They have also plain white. So you can choose anything you want. You can customize your size. As you see, all of our windows are customized. So you can customize them, height and width and color. So, wow. Can you get them all back up? Just more like press of a button and they all go up.
The remote works of 200 meters away.
Wow.
Direct line of sight, of course. Through walls, 35 meters.
That is so cool.
Plus, it also works with Alexa or Google. So
wow, that is cool. So you can just say like, okay, Google, open blinds.
You need an extra thing, which is the hub, but then you can have them on Google open blinds.
Well, that is another level of movie. Like if it works on like, okay, Google like open close, I will feel like in a movie. And we're living in a 200-year-old plus house. Like, can you imagine that it would ever have electric blinds? This is just like, wow, mind-blowing. Yeah. So yeah, let's now attach the next blind, which is the long window. This one, they didn't do electric. I don't know why, but it was a thing a bit complicated. So you can also get non-electric. Yeah, it's maybe too small, but this is like really small window. So honestly, also keeping this open wouldn't bother during the sun because the sun is already on that door in summer. But yeah, we might just keep it like on a level. So yeah, let's attach the little one, see how that attaches. But overall, the attachment on everything was super simple. Like anyone could have done it. Like I could have done it super simple. Just one screw and attaches, super simple. So let's now attach the last one.
I like things that I build that I know where to screw, right? Exactly, like where is the...
Not like in the apartment, where you just drill and do not know the fatness of the wall.
Oh yeah, no, here I know. On top of this is a framing.
But in the apartment, it's a mystery, if you will drill through.
It is. Put. Oh, that's it.
Okay, now the moment of truth. Where does the stick go?
There is no stick.
But how does it go back up?
It's
it's the pulley up and down.
Oh, that's so fast though. Okay, that's also a really good option if you don't want the electric. Okay, it doesn't go on its own, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's quite long.
So, the final blind is installed, and as you can see, it works really effortlessly. You can close it all the way till the bottom. It looks really nice as well. Same thing, just the adjustment. Of course, it is really fast. It's not like the other side. So, let's now close the blinds, and for that also close the year and have it done. As the sun is about to set over, we can close up and close the blinds. And I have to be the last little helper. Look, I can go the same speed exactly. So I can join in with the other ones. And look at this. Wow. Wow, now we're getting dark. With this window closing as well. And now you can focus on some work. Look at this. This is so cool. This is going to be enjoyable in summer, also to prevent the heat coming in, because this gets really toasty in here. Like we had to run an AC and it didn't do much because it's like a greenhouse with this many windows. The trees were the best shading that we could get, but in the morning the sun was still shining in. But we love to look out the windows, so it is good to have ability to just adjust whichever blind you want. So you want to look out number 5. Then you open up number 5 and you have one window that you can look out from, but you still have the blockage of sun if the sun is on that direction, or if you get morning sun is that way. So you can adjust based on where you want to look, and you can stop it at any moment by pressing the middle, which also is really cool. And we also can change the positioning like we did on this one. We made it stop before the gingerbreads so it doesn't knock into them, but you can always set it higher or lower depending on what obstacles you have and how high you want them. And also the same thing with the top height. You can set this to be your top height and it will never go higher than that. It will always stop there if that's what you desire. So I feel like there's a lot of adjustment, and up to 15 channels on one remote. And the little hub that you can get separately is also cool. Last thing we didn't do, let's attach the holder for the remote so we can have it here on the wall and have it on the press of a button, so we can always open our blinds and have it like almost like as a switch on the wall. So let's attach this.
Like literally, I've only seen that in the movies. I never believed I would have blinds like that. So big thanks to Tuck Blinds for sending those blinds and making dreams come true.
I hope we can work again with the tiny house and have the tiny house same.
Ooh, imagine the tiny house just button.
And pitch black. The whole house though. Just do the whole house, upstairs, downstairs, all of it, everything just closed. And you have like ready for the movie night in middle of the day.
Ooh.
That's pretty cool.
You scream with hands?
Yeah.
Why?
Will I go get an attachment now for this tiny screw?
I guess through the snow. You don't feel like it?
No, I don't feel like it. I already went to get the big screws.
Old school. Everything electric, but we use a screwdriver.
Sometimes you gotta be just manual.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Just in 1 hour, the whole room has blinds and is secured. And we also figure out what this little sticky is doing. It's supposed to get the blind down very nicely. And then you use the inside to tip it back up. Whee! So that's what it does. It does not go anywhere in. I thought it was kind of like a spinny pulley, but yeah, it works by just pulling up and down. And it is really, really nice. Also a really good option in case you don't want electric. But usually for me, the end of the year, like the last day of the year, is a very stressful and very sad year. But today I've been exceptionally happy just because of this beautiful kind of a Christmas and New Year's present. I really, really like it. So thanks again to Tuck Blinds for sending those blinds. I did not expect that I'm gonna enjoy them so much. Just the idea of them electrically going down and up is just something out of a movie that I really did not expect I would have. And if we find some clips, maybe we have added them already, some before, of how this place looked when we first arrived, and then that it was a chicken place. As I said, yeah, the way that we have transformed it is just unbelievable. Like, I can't believe that we did that. One thing that it did ask us is if we want them with a valance or not, and we did not know what the valance is, so David decided to go without it. So we will be adding something nice, beautiful, and I think if you add a valance, it only can go on the front. I'm not sure how exactly it works. You can check out, as I said, the link down below. You can go check their website, and yeah, they have multiple options: electric, non-electric, with valance, without valance, and all kinds of things. So yeah, we'll be adding something beautiful, but honestly, that is the least of a problem. It does not really bother at all. And yeah, the year has ended. This is the last video of the year. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the whole year, and make sure to check my channel. I have already posted some Christmas videos. There's gonna be some more coming in the new year. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna see you next year. Make sure to check also the link down below in case you're interested. So we wish you a happy new year, and we're gonna see you next year. So cool. I love it. I love it. Okay, but we gotta leave it open because we do want the new year to come in. So they gotta stay up until next year.